What's up, guys? This week on Cool Tool Tuesday, I have something pretty awesome that I want to share with you guys. It's a brand new product that Olsa Tools just come out with. It is the adjustable ratcheting wrench. This thing definitely changes the game. If you guys have ever used a ratcheting wrench, you know how big of a pain in the butt it is when you put it on the bolt or nut or airline fit and whatever you're using it on, and it doesn't want to turn loose and you have to unscrew it to get it to come off and reposition it. Well, these guys have figured it out. So you guys come on, I want to show you what's awesome about this product. All right, guys, this thing definitely changes the game. I want to show you real quick if we can before we get started. This is where all the magic happens. You can see there's a spring here and also a switch. Well, this switch in this position allows the head to pivot and also allows some give here. Now, if you don't want it to ratchet, all you gotta do is simply flip the switch and she's locked down just like any other adjustable wrench. But when you flip the switch, here's what happens. You can tighten it up on there where it's really tight. All right, so a lot of times on rear ends, on big trucks, we'll use an adjustable wrench because somebody's already rounded it off by using an adjustable wrench before us, and it's screwed up anyway. So let's see how it works on a square. Yeah, it'll work. Let's try it again. This is tight already, so I can't tighten it up anymore. So you'd push down and ratchet up, and then go again. All right, guys, like you've seen, this may not be the perfect wrench for every situation. Of course, no tool will be the perfect wrench for everything. But if you've got an adjustable wrench and you have to use it, this is going to make your life easier when you need it to ratchet. As you've seen on those, especially hex head bolts, it works great. Square bolts, you have to go past it to get it to lock back, but they will work on square drives, like that 1/2 inch square drive. You know, you could use it for that. I think where it's really going to shine is going to be airline fittings in kind of tight spaces. It's definitely a cool tool. And if you'll look down in the description, there is a discount code to Olsa Tools. So I'll put a link down here at the bottom and you guys can go check it out. Check the discount code that's in the description because they're in there. This tool is already an amazing price. It's $21.99 on their website. So you really can't ask for nothing any better than that anyway, but you will get a discount code if you use the link below and type in the discount code. Like always, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you like it, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. It's totally free. It doesn't cost you a dime. You guys have a great week and we will catch y'all next time.